Are you having trouble receiving the verification code on your iPhone from Apple ID or social media or games? This can be frustrating. Issues like this can arise due to network problems, incorrect phone number settings, or even software glitches. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with effective solutions to help you receive that verification code. Let's get started. Solution 1. Remove and re-add your phone apps. Open Settings, tap Apple ID, tap Sign In and Security. Here, you can see this number says, tap the number, tap Removes from Account. Now you need to re-add the number. Solution 2. Reset mobile network connection. Ensure that your phone is connected to stable Wi-Fi or cellular data network. Open a web browser and try visiting a website like fast.com to confirm that your internet connection is working properly. If your internet connection is unstable, toggle airplane mode on for about 20 seconds, then turn it off. Alternatively, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. Solution 3. Message settings on iPhone. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down and tap on Messages, enable Send as SMS. Also make sure MMS messaging is enabled. If it's not, toggle it on. If you are not able to send images via iMessage, try sending them as MMS, which allows you to send pictures to non-iPhone users. After that, restart your iPhone and check your issues. Solution 4. Verify your location. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Language and Region, select your correct region. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 5. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on Focus. Tap on Do Not Disturb. Make sure it's toggled off. If it's on, you may not receive notifications including verification codes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of not receiving your verification code on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, feel free to ask any questions or leave your comments below.